It is often interesting to measure over a subset of the full capability of the IVA. We do this by, again, selecting the trace icon, the graph to the upper left side, which brings up the traces. In this specific case, we're going to be interested only in trace 2 over the limited range of the PCS band. We'll select override stimulus. The frequencies that come up will allow us to go from 1850 to 1990. We'll continue to use 201 points. We can choose up to 2251 points, but this slows down the measurement. 201 is a compromise between accuracy or detail and the amount of time you'd like to spend. In this particular case, again, the limited range does not require a recalibration. By pressing done, we can return to the plot by selecting the plot area. And now, because we did change the frequency range, we will need to replot by pressing the green play arrow. You can see, again, the return loss is done over the full range, but as we measure the cable loss, it's only over the PCS range. It again has two markers, one placed at 1850, which is the beginning of the band, indicating that the marker was probably lower than the reduced frequency range, and so it moved to the lowest value available. And then we've got the maximum, or in this case the minimum marker, which shows up at 1854 to minus 35.9. This is useful again for looking at subranges. If we don't choose or don't wish to see the full range of the return loss in trace 1, we can either delete the trace or change its frequency range to the same range as that of the cable loss.